Hello, we are Will Suffer. We are a community of motorcycle riders based in Pune. You might have many questions about us in your head, but धीरे जाते हैं, okay? So let's start from the start. It all started when गुड्डू भैया ने ठान लिया कि मुन्ना से बदला लेंगे. Yes, October 2020. So we are a newborn baby into the world of motorcycling community, falling and learning each and every day quite literally. धीरे धीरे वी स्टार्टेड टू ग्रो इन नंबर्स एंड फिर तो लंबे राइड्स करने का शौक ही था. बाय लंबे आई मीन 400 किलोमीटर्स एट मैक्स. वी हैव डन अ स्टे राइड, नाइट राइड एंड अ बंच ऑफ डे राइड्स. वी हैव बीन थ्रू सम ऑफ द मोस्ट सीनिक रूट्स एंड ऑल्सो बीन थ्रू बहुत ही बकवास रूट्स. वी हैव हैड द मोस्ट स्मूदेस्ट हाईवेज but also some of the most adventurous routes. We lost the directions, but as they say,
मैप लटा करे बीच पॉइंट.
some of the most beautiful locations are off the map. So, until now, Will Suffer has done 13 rides since lockdown. Pahuna Lonavala, Bhor Bhadgar, Dhom Dam, Kundalika Valley, Mahabaleshwar, Salter Lake, Khandi Point, Thosegar, Malshez, Karla Pahuna, Bhandardara, Big One, and Salter 2.2. And that's approximately 6,000 kilometers. First ride के लिए बस 2 riders थे, just being in the nature, seeing everyday things, feeling the open air after the unlock. It just felt surreal. It just reminded us how little things matter so much. And then people started to join us for rides. We started growing in numbers. Few of our riders have been with us through thick and thin quite literally. They have been with us for more than 10 rides. The adrenaline rush that you get from the speeds, serotonin from the mellow winds, green guards, and the dopamine after a ride while you lie on the bed at night doesn't compare with anything else in the world. We have seen some of the best sunrises and sunsets on the rides, and boy, believe me, sunsets from the ride are a whole different story. One thing we can proudly say that our rides are the most fun things you'll ever experience. We just bounce from our beds on the mornings of the ride, be it rainy, sunny, or windy outside. The force is just so strong, it can't let you stay inside. And that break after we have ridden for 2 continuous hours in the scorching sun, when that mellow wind hits your sweaty face, it is literally heaven. These are the things that can't be described. These can be only felt. And riding with a bunch of motorcycle enthusiasts is so satisfying. Everyone is in just pure love with their motorcycle, and everyone just looks out for each other like a family. And the thing with Will Suffer is, every rider who has joined Will Suffer was craving for a group, a community of their own. And बस इसी चीज़ की वजह से Will Suffer is so damn active. Every alternate weekend, 15 riders show up, whether the meeting time be 8 AM or सुबह के 3 AM. The age group in Will Suffer ranges from literally 18 to 57. We have riders who are just starting out their life and the riders who have made it in their life. You get both the extremes in one place. And trust me, Will Suffer becomes your family, outside of your family. Will Suffer being a motorcycle club, this family bond and trust is so important. Like the guys with whom you go on a ride with are the ones who are gonna help you when you are in trouble. And everyone in the club has put in equal effort to form this bond. ये दोस्ती, ये रिश्ता एवं ही नहीं बनता. It took a lot of effort, few meetups, few cricket sessions, मनीष के कुछ फॉरेन ट्रिप्स की कहानियाँ and काफ़ी सारा पेट्रोल. एंड ये चीज़ें नहीं मिलती यार सोलो राइडिंग में. यू हैव मोर फ्रीडम, एग्रेड, zero responsibility, okay. But in group rides, you get a family, brotherhood vibe, सबके breakup stories. There are other riders telling you कि bro, रास्ता खराब है, आराम से चला. Here you get that person who puts a limit to your unnecessary extra adrenaline. And this has helped us avoid so many casualties. और क्या ही चाहिए भाई आपको लाइफ में? They will personally come over to help you choose your helmet and gears like their own. Bike rides in the lockdown and this beautiful community of some amazing people is what kept us sane when the world was literally falling apart. Felt like a freaking human with this community, with Will Suffer. This has been one of the most interesting experiences of our lives, and the best part is it has just started. And we would love to have you all with us. We welcome you with our arms wide open at Will Suffer.